What's up, people? New day of summer, and there's my puppy. I don't know if you can. There's my puppy. Tip of the day. I'm still in my picture. Oh, come on, Murph. Come on. Come on, Murph. Come on. Oh, come on, Murphy. Come on. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Tip of the day. Straws. Here, let me show you a cool trick. Come on, buddy. Okay, so what you do is you take a straw and some sharp objects, like scissors. These are crappy safety ones. What is that wire doing? Okay, so you take it. This might scare the crap out of my dog, but you cut it in half. So you have something like this. And then you take your straw and you flatten it out so it becomes flat. You know, flat. And then you take it and you cut here and here. So you get what looks like a point. And then you just put it in your mouth and blow. Come on, Murphy. Come on. Go on. It's an automatic noise maker. So, see you next time. Bye.